There was a robotic dog at the last meeting I was at. Let me tell you about it. So let me set the scene, okay? I walk into the Consumer Technology Association's building, right by Capitol Hill. I'm going in for a round table on the impact of tariffs. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I was correct. And as I walk up the stairs into the roundtable room, right, and everyone's getting seated, this man comes in with a robotic dog. Like, it is like wagging its tail. It's like a whole thing, right? And I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. Like, what do we have here? You know what I'm saying? Well, what we have here, fast forward to him talking about his product, is a product that came out of his mom actually suffering from Alzheimer's and dementia. During that really horrific experience, he had to, fortunately for the safety of the pet, remove her beloved dog, right? And as somebody that's had a parent with dementia, I was like, oh, I relate to this. I relate to this. Interesting. Anyways, obviously, service animals, though, are incredibly helpful, right? Incredibly helpful, especially cognitively and whatnot. So it is like with that decision, right? Rock and a hard place. Can't trust, that person to be able to care for the animal and the safety of the animal, but at the same time, the animal provides them a lot of joy and happiness and, brain activity and all of the things. So essentially developing this fluffy robot was the solution he came up with. And what's super interesting is it is actually FDA approved for use as a service animal. And they've gotten all of these pre-orders, etc., right? And actually, interestingly enough, a lot of these orders are not just for patients or people dealing with Alzheimer's, dementia, sort of that category of things, but those on the autism spectrum, those dealing with PTSD, it is a long list. Those with Down syndrome, he was saying, a long list of different situations. Anyways, the product itself has to be manufactured overseas. Part of that is because the people that are able to actually put this product together, not here, not available in the US of A. So tariffs on this incredibly complicated piece of technology, on all of the different components, and then also, right, the thing as a whole, make the bit of technology, right, these robotic dogs, incredibly expensive. Then when they become cost prohibitive like that, right, it makes it even harder for insurance to cover it, etc. And then say, for example, somebody is on Medicaid, right, and therefore taxpayers fund Medicaid, right, and therefore more tax dollars have to go to a product that is more expensive for no reason other than tariffs. And I found it particularly interesting because, especially in the Alzheimer's dementia bucket, because we have an aging population, right? So much of our concern and thought should be going towards not just the future, right, future generations, but also of taking care of our parents, right? And so what we're doing is we are making that even more expensive for ourselves and for them, and for being able to age in place, etc.,